Welcome to Love Marketing AI. This is getting started. When you first sign in, first thing you need to do is go to account, brand profile, and in here you add information about your business, what it's called, what makes you unique, the category that you offer, your website details, what you offer. Then you can add products in here as well with images. And then if you've got any offers that you want to run later on, your customers, who you're aiming for, what problems do they come to you with, what do they want, and how do they find you as well. We also have your brand. So it's basically an English selection. It's Australian English, British English, or American English. Your brand personality, that's more like the tone. We have a bit more of your tone of voice where you can actually add content that you've written before and it will match that. The brand colors, logo as well. So you've got it all in there. And you can trend your style as well. Now the reason why we do this is that all the information is saved. So when we are creating socials, videos, images, blogs, or emails, or even just plans that gets created into content, it takes all that information about you. You don't have to keep adding it. You'll see it pre-populates. Once you've done that, look at connections. This is where you connect your social media. So we've got Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, LinkedIn that you can connect to. Websites, WordPress at the moment, we're working on Shopify as well. Email, Klaviyo, MailChimp, and Campaign Monitor. So you can actually create social posts and post them directly to the platform. You don't need to download, you just basically schedule it here on Love Marketing AI. Or you can create a blog and post it to your WordPress site. Or if you create an email, you can send it directly to Klaviyo or MailChimp. So that's basically the part here with connections. And then once you've done that, you have two main options. So if you click on that, it will show you what to do. So you'll tell us about your business, set up some goals, do channels and so forth as well. And then you get a personalized plan. Once you get the plan, we then create the content based on what you selected, and then you can schedule it. So an example would be if you're looking at plans over here, you'll see over here we've got a plan. So this is what the plan would look like. It will build out the plan in phases, what you're going to do in which week, and then if we continue on, we'll actually have a list of all the content that you can create. You can see over here we've created this content already, so you can then tick on these and then generate the selected content. So this is what the content looks like. This is your social, that's video as well as images, blogs, write a whole blog for you as well, email, and then we also provide activities that you can do. So for instance, just reminders to do things like respond to reviews, email distribution, and so forth. So that would be if you decided to go create a plan. That's what you get, and then you can schedule all of these as well. Then if you don't want to do that, you can direct content yourself. So what this means is if you just say I want to do an email blast or a social post or just create a video for a product page or anything like that, or just create images, you just click on those. The other thing is, whenever you create an asset, so a video, an image, an email, or blog, it deducts credits. So if you click over here, you'll see credits, and you'll see I've got so many video credits, image credits, blog credits, and then you have a log here. You can buy extra credits as well. So if you want to buy, say, 3 more videos, or 5, or just images, you can do that as well. So that's where your credits are. So every time before you click to generate any content, it will ask you, do you want to continue? it uses X amount of credits. If you need any help at all, at the bottom over here, we've got the Take the Tour. That's basically what I explained now. Got a YouTube channel with some user guides. We've got user guides as well. So that's video, and this is some more text with FAQs, and then we've also got support. So if you just click on this guy over here, you just ask any questions and it will help you through that. Thank you.